Swaminarayan students. Today we are starting with lesson number 4, that is Organizing Slides in MS PowerPoint 2010. Page number 29. Okay, to start with MS PowerPoint, first we will go to the Start button. Here we can go to MS PowerPoint, Microsoft Office, or else you can directly type PowerPoint, double click, and you will be able to open the MS PowerPoint. Okay, so this is the screen. Okay, let us see the first topic. The first topic which we have is changing the slide layouts in normal view. Right, changing the slides layout. Before that, let us add some slides. Right, so this is the first slide. Let's add some new slides using the new slide option like this. Okay, then let us add some images. This all things we studied in standard 4, right? Let us insert some pictures using clip art. I'll click on insert button, then I'll click on clip art. Here I'll write something whichever I want, suppose aeroplane. I will double click and aeroplane will come. On the next slide, let us take some car option. Let us resize this. Okay, in the third slide, let us take one more car. Okay, now see this view which you are seeing, this is called the normal view, right? Let us see normal view कैसे जाएंगे. You'll go to the view option and see over here normal view. If I click on slide shorter view, see it will show you all these slides like this. Notes page, it will show you like this, one by one. One slide, the second slide, and third slide. This is the normal view on which we work. This is called the normal view. Let us say some more things regarding this. Let us rearrange the slides. Now let us rearrange. Rearrange मतलब क्या? ये नंबर 1 पे एरोप्लेन वाली स्लाइड है, नंबर 2 पे ग्रीन कार है, नंबर 3 पे येलो कार है. Now if I want to rearrange मतलब क्या? If I change the number of slides, right? If I change the positions like this, suppose एरोप्लेन मुझे सेकेंड नंबर पे चाहिए, ग्रीन कार फर्स्ट नंबर पे चाहिए. So what I'll do? I'll just click the first slide और यहाँ पे नीचे स्लाइड करके लेके आऊंगी like this. आया सेकेंड पे. Suppose I want the green car to go on the last one, तो I'll click और उसको एकदम लास्ट तक लेके आऊंगी. लास्ट आ गया. This is how you rearrange the slides. Now next topic we have is operations in text box. Now let us see what is text box. For that let us add a new slide over here. Okay, now these two boxes which you are able to see, this is called the text box. एक तो ये first वाला box, this one, this box, and the next box, the big box, right? These are called the text box. Text box, that means you can add text into it. Okay, to add text, यहाँ पे already लिखा हुआ है. Click to add title. So what I'll do, I'll just click over here and I can write over here like this. Hello, how are you? Right? फिर अगर मुझे नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में लिखना है तो मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूंगी एंड हियर आई विल बी एबल टू राइट हेलो, आई एम फाइन, thank you, right? Okay, now I can do different processes in this text box, like I can do editing, I can do formatting, I can resize the box, I can even change the font style, I can change the font size, I can change the font color. Let's see them one by one, right? When you are changing the font size and font color and all those things, that is called formatting. And when you are changing the, I'll tell you, when you are changing the text itself, like अगर यहाँ पे small h की जगह पे मुझे capital H चाहिए, so I'm changing this to capital H, right? This process is called editing, right? Now let us see some formatting. Suppose ये black color में है, I want all these things in blue color. So what I'll need to do, first of all, I'll need to select. I will select the text first, and then I'll change the color using this option, font color, like this. I'll click over here. I want in blue color, so I'll select the blue color and see, here I'll get the blue color, right? I can even change the size of the text. So to change the size, what I need to do, again I'll need to select the whole thing. जहाँ पे भी मुझे changes करना है वो पहले मुझे select करना पड़ेगा, and then I can change the size from here. See, like this. I can change the size from here, right? So this is called editing, right? Okay. Now even I can change the, I can even move the text box like this. Suppose यहाँ पे एक ही line है और ये text box बहुत बड़ा है, मुझे उसको छोटा कर देना है. So I can even do like this. I'll go to this box in the corner and I'll make the box smaller like this. See, here I can make the box smaller. I can even move the text box. To move the text box, what I need to do? जो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स की बॉर्डर है ना, वो कहीं पे भी बॉर्डर पे क्लिक करेंगे हम लोग. जैसे कि मैंने बॉर्डर पे यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, फिर छोड़ना नहीं है माउस, जस्ट यू नीड टू ड्रैग इट लाइक दिस. सी, है ना? तो मुझे स्लाइड पे जहां पे भी कोई भी डायरेक्शन में कोई भी प्लेस पे चाहिए, सो आई कैन टेक दी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स एंड मूव इट ओवर देयर. Right? Understood? So this is how you edit, format, move. Now let us see how will you remove the text box. Suppose मुझे text box चाहिए ही नहीं ये वाला, तो how will I remove? Remove करने के लिए what I'll do? I'll select the text box and I'll click on delete button. Remove हो गया. Right? Understood? And the last topic is copying. How will I copy? मुझे copy करना है तो मैं क्या करूंगी? जितना भी टेक्स्ट मुझे कॉपी करना है वो मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगी. सपोज आई एम सिलेक्टिंग द टेक्स्ट, देन आई विल क्लिक कंट्रोल सी, दैट इज शॉर्टकट की फॉर कॉपी, और एल्स यहाँ पे कॉपी है, कॉपी क्लिक करूंगी, जहां पे मुझे पेस्ट करना है वहां पे कर्सर लेके जाऊंगी. आई कैन यूज दिस पेस्ट ऑप्शन और एल्स शॉर्टकट की इज कंट्रोल वी. देखो पेस्ट हो गया. राइट? अंडरस्टूड? द अदर टू टॉपिक्स दैट इज वर्ड आर्ट, editing word art, inserting word art and inserting clip art, that will be doing in the next class, right? I hope you all understood this. You can try this at your home if you have laptops or PCs, or else we'll continue or we'll do this whole practical while we come to the school. Okay.